99.999% of the people that own Bitcoin are fucking morons. Retarded, imbeciles. That's just it. Yes? Did you also know that we had a Bitcoin king here? No? See, some people know how to keep their fucking mouth shut. Unlike most of you. I'm not even going to say who it is. But you can not share secrets. It is within your DNA. It's way, way down deep someplace, but the...
Come forward.
Yeah.
The Bitcoin guy.
No, just keep silent. A Bitcoin manufacturer. Where the real money is. Now they're all wondering. But one of the great calls I made is a year ago when Bitfuck was at $19,600. I said, it's over. Smart money, sell half, keep half. My mentees lost billions because nobody listened to me. We got some Bitfucks in there, I can tell. Too bad. Shows you the stupidity. Shows you the stupidity. And I know who's behind Bitcoin. And it ain't some fucking Japanese guy in a cave. I know the guy. And when that comes out, you heard it here first. Bitcoin is going to zero. Zero. When it comes out, zero. It doesn't matter. We can kill Rocket Man in North Korea. We can level Syria. We can level Iran. It doesn't matter. All those things, whenever Rocket Man shot a rocket up, what did the stock market do? The markets around the world. They don't give a fuck about Rocket Man. And part of that euphoria is now slipped over into Bitcoin, which we're not going to talk about at all. But I doubt, personally, if Bitcoin would be where it is today if we're in the middle of a raging fucking bull market for equities. Because when euphoria spreads, everybody drinks the Kool-Aid. And that's where we are. Kids, I mean, don't write me about Bitcoin, please. I mean, I keep telling you, this is for the YouTube. You know, Bitcoin could be 1,000 tomorrow. Just because it's 8,000 today. I mean, just, I don't give a fuck. So don't ask me. When it was at 19,000, I said, sell half, keep half. That's the only thing I said, which is just smart trading. And you didn't do that, so don't ask me now. But a smart, rich guy I talked to last night, he said, it's like these guys found a $1,000 bill in the street, or they found a diamond in the street, and the diamond went up in value, and now they're investors. They're professional investors all of a sudden, because they found a fucking $1,000 bill in the street. 99.999% of the people that own Bitcoin are fucking morons. Retarded, imbeciles. That's just it. Some of you in this room fall into that category. You found a $1,000 bill in the street, just say, well, I found a $1,000 bill in the street. If you found a $1,000 bill in the street, what would you do with it? You cash it, right? You wouldn't hoard it, would you? It's exactly the same. You found some shit in the street that happened to go up in value. So don't ask me anymore. Go fuck yourselves, please. Okay. But we have no investments. Everything's cash. None.
Why no Bitcoins and why no cryptocurrency?
Well, Bitcoins, I called the top of the market in December 2017 when it was $19,600. I said, if you have Bitcoin, sell half, keep half. This is the top. Nobody listened to me. If you knew who was really behind Bitcoin, really behind Bitcoin, you would run as fast as you fucking could to sell it. I know. 100%. If you knew who owned Bitcoin or who started Bitcoin, and you had Bitcoin, you couldn't sleep at night. I know. 100%. And when the real founder of Bitcoin comes out, it is my humble opinion, and there's nothing humble about me, Bitcoin will go to fucking zero.
One day.
And a microsecond, whoop, like that.
Then last question.
And as I said, you know who's behind Bitcoin? Putin. It's a Ruski conspiracy to fuck up the American economy and the world. It's a long-range plan he started 7-8 years ago. He's going to see the demise of the Western financial world while he's still the head of Russia. He's going to be there long enough. And he's already hacked into the brains of all the morons. You, YouTubers.